Good day, viewers. Let's solve this interesting indices question here. Evaluate 4 into bracket 1 minus 144 over 169 raised to power half, then times 2 over 13 raised to power minus 1. Now, we are going to apply one or two laws of indices here. Let's look at what is in this bracket here. I want us to see this as when we have 1 minus 2 over 5. I can simply write this one as 3 over 5. What did I do here? Subtracting these 2 from 5. So when I subtract 2 from 5, that's 3 over 5. Now let's look at this again. 1 minus 4 over 9. So simply subtracting 4 from 9 there, and that's 5. 9 minus 4, that's 5. That will be 5 over 9. And so on and so forth. So similarly now, we can do what is in this bracket like that. So subtracting 144 from 169, that will give us 25, and that's 25 over 169 now. So the bracket can now become 4 into bracket 25 over 169, everything raised to power half, then times what we have here now in mathematics under the law of indices. It's like you have reciprocal. If I have a raised to power minus 1, what it means is that we have 1 over a. So it's like you are finding the reciprocal. So now if I take the reciprocal of what we have here now inside this bracket, because we are raising it to minus 1, reciprocal simply means that you take 1 over 2 over 13, and that's simply 13 over 2 there. So it's like we write 13 over 2 now. Then we now have times 13 over 2 here. So that's times 13 over 2 now. So therefore, solving this, we now have our expression here now becomes, when we have raised to power half as well in the law of indices, when we have a raised to power half, what it means is that we are finding square root of a. Whenever we raise anything to the power of half, that's square root. So, and also when you have a raised to power 1 over 3, they call it fractional index, 1 over 3. That will be cube root of a. And in general, when you have a raised to power n over m, that will give us nth root of a raised to power n. That's law of indices there. Then when we apply the same thing to what we are given there as raised to power half, applying that here now, that's square root of 25, then square root of 169. It means I can write it again and say this is 4 multiplied by the square root of 25 over 169. And what we are doing is that we are taking the square root of 25 and square root of 129, then times what we have, that's 13 over 2. So that's 13 over 2 there. And by the time we take square root of 25, that's 5. So we now have 4 times 5. And when we take square root of 169, that's 13. Then times 13 over 2 now. And by the time we look at it closely, here now something can cancel each other. Like this 13 cancel this 13. Then 2 here 1. 2 here we have 2. So what we have left now is simply 2 times 5, which will give us 10. Thank you for listening. If you are yet to subscribe, also please click on the subscription button to receive more of our videos, and also like and comment under this video. Thank you and bye for now.